Have you ever wanted to put a toilet in place that didn't have piping already? In this video, I want to show you how Zoller can make that an easier possibility. We're going to talk about toilets that you can put anywhere, safety alarms to prevent problems, a 24-inch grinder package system, and even a QLS series lift station. I want to thank Zoller for sponsoring this video and sending me these products so I can show you some of the cool things they have that can help you out in your next remodel. Well, let's check it out. Okay, I have a toilet that can go anywhere, but I only see 3 boxes, this one and 2 more. Maybe Squirt will be bringing the rest of them pretty soon.
Beautiful flow.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first one open, I've got the bowl, and what I like, looking on the inside under the rim, man, you've got large openings in the back and front, which is great because, well, normally that's where you see any marks left on the toilet or anything, and smaller ones on the side, so everything still gets washed out. I like that. But here's the funny thing, guys. I've been plumbing 44 years. Where's the bowl wax go? I know, I don't see it, right? Check this puppy out. All right, let's see what we got. Let's open another box. Okay, so I've got the tank here. Looks pretty typical. Fill valve, flush valve. That's a pretty interesting handle, just straight up and down. I actually love that. Flapper, flush valve. Says high up. I mean, man, it's your normal tank, bowl combination. Heavy lid right here. And I love those big lids. Gives you room to get in there and work. Okay. Box number 2. And directions. I mean, seriously? Okay, wait, let me grab those. We may need this. All right, so now I see what goes on the back of the bowl. A 1/2 horsepower grinder pump. Let's open this up, see what this thing is. Okay, so now it makes sense why there's 3 boxes. So guys, here's what's really cool about this, and this is what I like about systems like this. We're actually out here in the barn, and we want to put a toilet in, and they don't have a septic system out here yet. So I can spend a whole lot of money to install a septic system, or literally, I can install this toilet, run it through the pump, pop it out, and run it down to the septic system that's behind the next building. So I have options here, thanks to a system like this. Now, we don't have a lot of basements here in Texas. But I can imagine too, if I wanted a toilet in a basement, I literally pump this in, run it up, pop it upstairs, where I can go in, tie into a line that is tied into the city sewer system, to where then all I do is install it wherever I want it. I mean, y'all saw the bottom, there's no bowl wax there. You just mount it down to the floor, secure it, make sure it doesn't wobble, and you're good to go. You do need an electrical system, which is great. I love that because if you've got an electrical system for this, you can also install a bidet toilet seat, which I just happen to love. When you turn your toilet seat on, does it return the favor? Ever wonder what happens if the tanks fill up and you can't see it? Check out this quick alarm Zoller makes to prevent problems like that by alerting you if the water level in the system gets too high. And check out this compact package system they put together that only needs a 24-inch cubish kind of a space. This package can handle more than just human waste and toilet paper too. What you have here is a compact package system that literally catches it. You pump this to the city drain, but now you've got a catch system to catch it, you have a compact package system that does the things you need it to do. Everybody says poop doesn't run uphill. Yes, it does. Now, let's move on to the bigger systems. Here is the QLS series. These come in simplex and duplex layouts, or a one pump system versus a two pump system. These factory assembled systems are for quicker, easier installation at the job site. Your system comes with all this: pumps, basin, assembly, floats, and control panel. Zoller has their own line of panels designed to pack more features in standard that would typically be considered added options on other panels. Just remember that if you want Zoller for your next remodel, then contact your local sales rep to learn more about Zoller grinders and packages. If you found this interesting, then check out the video and see how Zoller grinder pumps are in action. So guys, you saw the big system and I love it. I've actually had to install one of these at a hospital that I did. And it's really neat because with this rail system, we had a cable hooked up. You could literally stand above, pull the pump up, change it out. I mean, think about it. You don't have to climb down in that 6-8 foot pit to get down to the pump and work on it. You've got a stainless steel eyelet right here that you have hooked up. You pull it up. The rail system is going to slide it up and down. You've got an O-ring right here to seal it off, so anything pumped out goes right where it's supposed to go. And one of the best panel systems in the business. They can let you know what's wrong and let you know with the alarms. So having the right system in place is amazing. When you've got the floats, the cables, everything together, and the conversion kits to convert a grinder pump to a slide rail system, guys, they've got everything you need to make your job easier. Once again, I want to say thank you to the folks over at Zoller. They have literally, they've made my life amazing because I get to show y'all all the cool stuff that they have, what it looks like, how it works, and tell you more about it. So guys, this video was sponsored by Zoller. Special thanks to them. Great people to talk to, great people to work with. They understand their systems, why it does what it does, and they literally try to make our lives easier every day. If you love this video, check this one out. I think you'll like how the Zoller grinder pump actually works.